In a right angle triangle, the acute angles are in ratio 4 is to 5. Find the angles of triangle in degree and radian. So triangle ABC is right angle triangle, right angle triangle, angle measure angle B is equal to 90 degree. The acute angles are in ratio 4 is to 5. So measure angle C is equal to 4K and measure angle A is equal to 5K. Sum of measure of angle, sum of measure of angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So measure angle A, अभी ये क्या है 4K and this is 5K. So measure angle A is equal to 5K plus 50 degrees plus 4K is equal to 180 degrees. So 9K is equal to 180 minus सॉरी ये एंगल भी हमारा 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. So 9K is equal to 90. So therefore K is equal to 10 degrees. So 10 degree. Now measure angle A is equal to 5K. Therefore 5 into 10 degrees, that is 50 degrees. Measure angle C is equal to 4K. तो ये क्या आएगा 4 into 10 degrees, that is equal to 40 degrees. अभी हम इसे रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो measure angle A is equal to 50 degrees. तो अब इसे रेडियंस में हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो ये हो गया 50 into pi upon 180 radians. तो कैंसिल होने के बाद 5 pi upon 18 radians. Measure angle B is equal to 90 डिग्रीज। तो ये आएगा 90 into pi/180 रेडियंस। तो ये बन गया पाई/2 रेडियंस। मेजर एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू 4 मेजर एंगल दैट इज इक्वल टू 40 डिग्रीज। तो 40 into pi/180, तो कैंसिल हो गया। 2 2 4, 2 9 18। So this will become 2 pi/9 radians.